Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with some of my favorite hair, Luvmehair, and they sent me a wig to review. But first I'm gonna show you their new packaging. The packaging is really nice. The box feels really expensive, like you're getting a great gift in the mail. And they put the wig in there, some lashes, and a really pretty box. Put you a comb, elastic band. They put the instructions and information about the hair. Oh, they also include that wax stick and stocking caps and some more goodies in there. Okay, so this is the wig. The wig is called Summer Celebrity Curly Frontal Lace Wig. So okay, I'm doing Nisha's hair, so it's only appropriate that I put a wig on her that's named Celebrity because she thinks she's a celebrity. So yeah, I already customized the wig. I went through and bleached the knots on the wig because this is just a regular Swiss lace medium brown wig, and it's not the HD or it's not the HD, and it's not the transparent. It's just a regular lace front wig. So if you don't have all them bucks to spend on some HD lace or transparent lace, you can still get a natural looking wig. Make your wig look very natural looking with the regular traditional, I should say, lace. So yeah, I'm putting it on Nisha. If y'all new to my channel, this is my niece. She's been on plenty of videos before, and y'all might say she looks really young, but she's in high school now, so she's been getting her hair done for years. But now we're gonna give her this wig, and it's a 12-inch wig also. So anyway, oh, let me tell y'all about the hair. The hair is 12 inches and it's 13 by 4, 150% density. It felt like it was way thicker than that, but it's 150% density, Swiss lace, medium brown, and it has adjustable straps and bands and combs. Ships within 24 hours. So anyway, I just braided her hair down in 4 big braids because you don't have to, if you don't have time, you can just slick your hair back in a ponytail or do like some big cornrows going back. It doesn't have to be a million cornrows going back, as long as the foundation is flat. And once you put your stocking cap on, it will help to flatten the foundation. So yeah, so anyway, I'm just going in with the nude or beige stocking cap, and I braided her hair back and I put some Got To Be gel, the black one, on her edges and just slicked them completely back, and then put my stocking cap on, and then I cut some holes in there and to open over the ears so the ears can be open, exposed or whatever. And then I'm just going in with some Got To Be free spray, Got To Be glue free spray, and I'm just spraying it along her hairline. And you can kind of see through these beige caps where the hairline is exactly, so you can go like directly in front of the hairline with the hairspray so that no glue will get on her hair. So anyway, I put it under dry for about 10-15 minutes and let it dry completely. And so now I'm just cutting the additional stocking cap off of her head. Oh y'all, if y'all interested in this wig, I have the links for this hair listed below, and they also gave me a 20% off coupon code that you all can use, and I'll have it linked right here, or I'll list it right here, and then I'll have it linked below. So anyway, I'm just going in with my e.l.f. steepling brush and some concealer that's kind of her color, like maybe a little bit darker, maybe a little bit oranger too, but it's a concealer that's around about her hair color, just to make the cap, because of course this is a regular lace. This is not the HD or transparent lace, so you want to kind of go in and customize the cap and the wig. So anyway, I'm just going in now with some 91% alcohol, I believe it is. You want to at least get 91% alcohol. And I'm just cleaning her forehead and ears before I start with the ghost bun, and so that the glue will stick and hold. So yeah, I'm just using the Ghost Bun XL, and I'm going to give her 3 layers of the Ghost Bun XL. I'm using the first layer is just to really make sure that the cap is laying down. And then I'm gonna go in with 2 more layers about 1 inch wide, and I'll let those dry till they're completely dry, and then we'll start applying. I mean, not completely dry, till they're tacky to the touch and clear. So it'll be clear looking to you and like tacky to the touch. And also, I'm just using a rat tail comb. I buy boxes of those combs from Sally's because it's just not that easy for me to get the popsicle stick. So I use those. So anyway, that's the wig. I plucked it after I got through bleaching the knots. I kind of over bleached a little bit, but that's fine. That's okay. And I just put a little bit of that concealer inside of the wig, inside of the wig under the lace, so that everything matches and blends in well. So now I'm just getting the wig put on her head, and I'm just adjusting it so that we can get it laid and we can melt that lace, girl. So anyway, yeah, you just want to pull the hair down to where you want it to start at. And then I'm just taking my rat tail comb. That's the one with the metal end. I'm just taking it, and I'm using both ends really, but I'm just pressing that lace into the glue. And I had her to hold it. Generally, I don't have my clients to hold anything, but this is my niece, and so yeah, she gonna help me out on this one. So yeah, I'm just pressing the lace into the glue, and she's just gonna hold it down till I can get it tied down. And I overplucked a little bit in the front, but it's okay. We're gonna make it blend. And the reason I did, because it is so much hair on this wig. Now that's a problem that I never have with Love Me wigs. They always have a lot of hair on their wigs, and I'd rather it be that way than not enough hair. So I'd rather be able to just go in and remove some of the hair and not have enough hair in the wig. So anyway, on the back part, it was still more hair, so I ended up cutting that little tab that hangs down in the back, because her head just wasn't big enough for it. So she probably need a small cap, but it wasn't too wide. It just had a little hangover in the back, so I cut that off, and it took some of the hair out also. And this hair is still super thick. So anyway, I'm just taking a needle and thread, and I'm just sewing the back down to her braids. And then I'm also going to go on the top part. This is a teenager, so she need her wig secured and secured some more. So the top part, I'm sewing it down. I usually sew the top, put a few stitches in the top, so that if the hair starts lifting, it won't like completely go off. So anyway, I'm just cutting the excess lace from over the top part of the ear. I like to call it the ear tabs. I'm not really sure what they call it. But yeah, I'm just cutting that off and making sure that the wig is behind her ear so that it's comfortable and it fits good. Then I'm just making a cut in the middle of her forehead, and then one over her eyebrow. And I'm just pulling that lace back just a little bit, because you know the glue can kind of come out some. And so if it's more glue on there than you want, you can just, once it's dry, you can lift the wig up to where you want it to go, and then cut the additional lace. So yeah, that's how it looks once you cut the lace off. And then I'm just laying her sideburns down, because she is gonna wear sideburns, so you can just kind of have those, like if it's any excess glue or in the lace, you can just kind of press it on down, so they'll already be laying down. So yeah, I'm just cutting the excess lace off of the other side now. And then here I'm just loosening up that baby hair, because I did spray a little bit of Got To Be on there when I tied it down, the freeze spray, just to like keep the hair from getting in the glue. So I just sprayed a little bit of the freeze spray. And yeah, that little thin space right there, that is a combination of me over plucking it, which I will fix and you'll see it, and then also the makeup. So that's the combination of me just over plucking it just a little bit, and then the makeup. But so yeah, that's the wig. It is melted in. I mean, it is melted in. So if you don't want to use that much baby hair, you don't have to use that much baby hair. I always say that. Look at her with this Nipsey Hussle case. So anyway, if you don't want to use that much baby hair, you don't have to. Really, she didn't even need any baby hair. I could have just kind of like smoothed it around really good, and she could have just went like that. But of course, I had to give her some baby hair. So I'm just cutting the baby hair, and you want to cut it down to about an inch or 3/4 inch, because you really don't need all of that baby hair, even though like an inch is still a lot of baby hair. So you can cut it down a little bit shorter if you want to, and then that's how it looks once you cut the baby hair. Also, you can cut it as you go. You don't have to just like section it out and cut it all at once. You can just cut it so once you determine how much hair you're gonna need. So anyway, I'm just going in with a little bit of more of that got to be the gel in the black container, and I'm just laying her baby hair. I was out of Nairobi this particular day, and the beauty supply is so far away, so I ended up just going ahead and laying her baby hairs with the got to be. And she probably needed the got to be anyway, because just like I said, she's a teen and just a little bit harder on the hair than an adult would be. So yeah, and I'm just molding my baby hair, just getting it how I want it to be. And just like I said, she didn't have to have any baby hair, but we went ahead and did some baby hair. I thought it was appropriate for a kid style, especially kids. Kids look really cute. Not kids, but like teenagers, they look really cute with baby hair. So yeah, I'm just making sure I mold the baby hair the way I want it, and then I'm just going in with a little bit more of the got to be freeze spray. And once you get done molding your baby hair down, you just want to go in with the blow dryer and dry them so they'll stay in place. So get them, you know, like at least 50% dry before you wrap them down again, because they will become sticky and white, and nobody wants to see that. So yeah, just want to continue blow drying until you get the hair like mostly dry. I want to say at least 50% dry. Of course, that got to be, it dries really fast anyway, and especially in conjunction with that freeze spray, it really dries fast. So yeah, once I'm done with that, I'm gonna spray a little bit of the freeze spray on there, and also some oil sheen, because I do not want that glue sticking to the wrapping strips. And it still did even after I did that, but you just want to use a little bit of oil to help release those wrapping strips once you're done. So anyway, I just went in with 2 wrapping strips. I folded in half, and I just tied them around her head, and we're gonna leave those on until we get ready to finish the style. So she getting a deep side part, kind of a deep side part, I believe. And well, not really too deep, but she's gonna get a side part. And so that's the hair part of it. It looks really good. The scalp looks really, really good. So anyway, I'm just going in with my tiny pressing comb, and I just heated it up, and I'm pressing out the roots. The root only, like you don't have to go in and straighten out the other part of the hair, just the root, so that the part is more defined and everything is laid and slayed. So yeah, you just want to press it out. And it should look something similar to that once you get done. I'm using, that is a leave-in conditioner bottle, but actually I can't find my spray bottle, so that is just water. And it does have just a little bit of conditioner in that water, so I'm just spraying the hair down really, really good. And you just want to saturate it good so that the curls can be really, really defined. And you just spray as much water as you need. If you don't want it, you can wear it with the dry look if you don't want to do that. Don't want to spray it down. So anyway, I'm just going in with some Silk Elements foam wrap, and I'm just putting that on her curls also to kind of like lock in the curls so that they'll be there tomorrow. And just help mold the curls in place. And then I'm just taking my shampoo comb. I use the comb for everything, to comb out styles and shampoo, define curls, detangle, whatever I need it for. So yeah, I'm just going in and puffing it up just a little bit. She gonna wear it puffy whenever it dry. She likes some big old hair. So yeah, I'm just taking my Conair Pro dryer, and I'm drying that area near the part if it got wet, and then also drying the where the wrap strips are tied down it. And I'm just taking some scissors, and I'm gonna try to attempt to remove the wraps. I probably could have left them on about probably another 10 minutes or so, but I was filming another video this same day, so we were trying to go ahead and get through. And so yeah, I'm just making sure her baby hairs is laid correctly, because I kind of pulled one up when I pulled that wrapping strip up. So here I'm going in with a little bit more of alcohol and some Sanex strips, and I'm just cleaning her forehead from where that got to be gel was. Just making sure there's no gel on her forehead and ears and stuff. And then just kind of fluffing the hair out again. And that you can wear the hair exactly like that if you want to, but we decided to go in with some of these rhinestone clips. Now, we couldn't find the ones with the words on there. And once I realized that, I seen that you can get them from Amazon, and Forever 21 also had some. So I'll probably be ordering some from Amazon or either Forever 21. But we just got those from the beauty supply, and they're just the rhinestone bobby pin clips. And we just used 3 of those, clipped it in. And then I just also went in with the comb razor and trimmed her sideburn. So y'all, that's the finished look. I hope you like the hair. Again, this is the Summer Celebrity Curly Frontal Lace Wig in 12 inch. It's a 13x4, 50% density, and it's the Swiss lace. I have a coupon code. It's Oliver20. Shop with Luvmehair. This is one of my favorite companies. They have been working with me from the beginning. That was my very first YouTube video, so I really love them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also follow me on all of my social media. I have the link below. Thank you guys for watching.